can hear her coming down the road again. There she is. Put tension on it. Put tension on it, flipping lightly. Lift up on it a little bit. Just lightly push it back and forth a little bit. Pull up on your phone. Gotta put steady pressure on it. Let go. Let go. Steady pressure.
Okay.
You're not pushing hard enough.
Is that what it is?
It's in neutral now. Okay, no oil this time. So we got the right oil level.
Yep.
Now when I want to go into gear, you put steady pressure on the lever and you flip the clutch like that a couple times to shock the clutch and get the pop up on you.
Okay.
But it's best when you're coming up the hill, just accelerate, just put it in neutral as you're coasting in and just coast. It works fine. So how'd it feel?
Great. I love it.
You got a lot harder.
Perfect, huh?
You're getting on harder down the street now, so that's good.
The light's great. I love it. I was just trying to go as many stops as I could to get used to the brake, where the brake's at, and
brake's working good for you.
Trying to find that neutral.
Yeah, brake working good for you.
Yeah, the brake's working good. I mean.
So now the key is how hot's the back one to the front one. Not too bad. It's warm, but not real hot. Why's the headlight on?
The back one's still getting hotter?
It's a little hotter, but not much.
Okay.
But it is using more rear brake than front brake, so.
Is it?
Yeah, definitely. You can feel the heat. Just run your hand across it real slow.
Real slow.
Real slow. Feel it?
I do.
Now feel the front one. It's about 30% less. Feel the difference?
Yeah.
So it's got more rear bias than front bias, which is, it should be the other way around, but. Well, I got to put a portion valve in there to get it to equalize.
Okay.
It's going to wear out those rear pads, and those are, they don't last very long.
No.
Unless you got late pads. Which ones you got on this one? The late ones or the early ones? Yeah, you got the later ones. They're a little bit better. You got the big fat ones that last a lot longer. Those little square ones, they were terrible.
Yeah.
But it's going to eat up those back pads. So, but it works fine. It stops good when you get on them.
Yeah. The bike one.
So when you put the switch all the way to the rear, the headlight comes on.
Oh shit! Good to know.
See the headlight?
Yep. Okay.
New trick. Stupid, stupid automotive switches.
Well, the bike runs great.
So if you want a headlight to get parked in the garage or at home, just flip it all the way on back, and you can drive in, get to where you need to go, and then flip it off.
There you go.
So there's a plus to having it, but to me, I'd rather not. I like off being off and no extras. No extras.
Well, it's good to learn it now, I guess.
So is the handlebar seat and all the controls all fitting you?
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
How's the pegs?
I'm still getting used to the plate where they're at.
A little stretch for you, I assume?
It's a stretch.
A little bit?
A little stretch. So
you can get like a seat cover and move your butt forward about 2 inches?
I'm going to have to bring my butt forward a little bit.
Yeah.
But, other than that, I mean, they're comfortable.
Yeah, the heels.
When I'm actually rolling.
The heels in the right spot for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, everything's in the right spot.
Because those are adjustable.
The kickstand is hard to get to.
You need to put a little tang on the end of it.
Okay.
You see how some of those bikes have a little tang on them?
Yeah.
That's what needs to be welded.
That's what I need, okay.
Yeah, you can weld a bolt on there or something. Just
There
something.
you go.
Something just
A
to give
nice
you
Harley
something.
bolt?
Yeah, sure. Go grab it off a Harley. There's lots of Harleys out there that'll need bolts. Just look underneath them. So go ahead and do that, and that'll make it a lot easier to work the kickstand.
All right.
And just get used to everything else.
Other than that, it's great. I love it. I'm very happy. Very, very happy, Tatro. You're the best.
Are you going to let your husband ride it now?
No.
No.
He doesn't get to ride it.
He's got his own bike.
This is mine. This is mine.
He's got his own bike. Go ride it. All right. That's it for now.